Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Obsidian versus Logseq. Let's dive straight into understanding their fundamental differences. Notion offers a versatile, cloud-based workspace, perfect for teams and complex projects, integrating notes, tasks, and databases seamlessly. Obsidian, on the other hand, provides a local-first approach, empowering individual knowledge management through interconnected Markdown files. Logseq, also local and open source, excels in outlining and daily note-taking, building knowledge through block references. Each tool caters to distinct needs, and we'll explore which one might be your ideal choice. When considering data storage, these tools offer fundamentally different approaches. Notion operates entirely in the cloud, meaning your information is always synchronized and accessible across all your devices, provided you have an internet connection. Conversely, Obsidian and Logseq champion local storage, saving your notes as simple Markdown files directly on your computer. This gives you absolute control over your data, ensuring privacy and allowing for offline work, a significant advantage for many users seeking long-term data ownership and portability. A key differentiator lies in how these tools handle linking and visualizing connections. Obsidian and Logseq truly shine with their bidirectional linking capabilities and an interactive graph view. This visual representation allows you to see how all your ideas are interconnected, fostering deeper understanding and discovery. Notion, while offering linked pages and database relations, doesn't provide this kind of dynamic, visual graph. For those who thrive on seeing the web of their thoughts, Obsidian and Logseq offer a distinct advantage in knowledge exploration. So, which tool is right for you? Notion is your go-to if you need a versatile, collaborative workspace for project management, wikis, and a wide array of content. It's perfect for teams or individuals managing complex systems. Obsidian is the choice for power users and researchers who desire a highly customizable, local-first personal knowledge management system with powerful linking. Logseq, with its outlining and block-based approach, is excellent for daily journaling, thought organization, and building knowledge incrementally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.